Experience the convenience of cordless with the RYOBI 40-volt HP Brushless EZClean Power Cleaner. Our high-performance power cleaner allows you to reach up to 600 psi power anywhere you need it. Easily slide on the RYOBI 40-volt battery and you're ready to clean. Easily clean anything around the house by connecting the power cleaner to your garden hose, or clean remotely with the 20-foot siphon hose or 2-liter bottle adapter. The 20-foot siphon hose allows you to pull water from any fresh water source like a bucket, lake, pool, cooler, or even your sink. Don't have any of those nearby and still need to spray something down? You can just bring your water source with you. Fill up a 2-liter container, twist on the bottle adapter, snap onto the power cleaner, and spray away. The Quick Connect system makes changing between water sources so simple. You can just snap the Quick Connect into place on a tool and you're ready to blast dirt away. The adjustable pressure button allows you to blast away dirt at 600 psi when you need maximum power, or use a lighter setting to gently clean surfaces that are more delicate. You can also change between 3 spray patterns to meet your exact need. For example, the rinse setting is perfect for giving kids' toys a quick wash, whereas the turbo nozzle is ideal for things like stuck-on debris. The versatility doesn't stop there. All our EZClean power cleaners are compatible with all EZClean accessories. Customize your EZClean arsenal with accessories for virtually any application, whether at home or on the go. If you're a renter who just needs to clean off patio furniture, we have you covered with the Siphon Hose as a water source and our wash brushes for deep cleaning furniture. If you're a hobbyist who loves the garden, make sure you have the 7-in-1 rinsing nozzle to water the garden. If you're a car person, use the foam blaster, squeegee, wash brush, and flex wand to wash your car. Whatever you need to clean, we have you covered. When the job at hand is complete, you can move on to the next chore, because that same 40-volt battery that powers your power cleaner can also be used in your string trimmer, blower, chainsaw, and any of our other 75+ products in our 40-volt system. Find this power cleaner and EZClean accessories exclusively at the Home Depot and HomeDepot.com.